Joshua, I'd like to get your take on another story we've been following closely. Tiger Woods' former girlfriend has dropped her $30 million lawsuit against him. Erica Herman claims she was unceremoniously evicted from Woods' Florida mansion. She says she based her $30 million figure on how much it would cost to rent an estate like that. And she also accused Woods of sexual harassment, which he denies. So she's still fighting in court to be released from a non-disclosure agreement she signed during their relationship. This looks like a real David versus Goliath legal battle. What do you think is going on behind the scenes here?
Well, it's hard to see these types of situations and think that this isn't all purely about money. And it seems like the court, at least in the ruling that was made on whether or not to breach that non-disclosure agreement, seems to think that there's not much to merit to the allegations of sexual harassment on Tiger Woods' part as well. Those are some pretty strong words used by the judge in denying their petition to have that NDA released. So yes, it was dismissed. Certainly not a strong step in the direction of this woman making these claims, but it was dismissed without prejudice, meaning that they have the opportunity to bring this up again. But I think this might just be a lot of legal posturing in order to garner some sort of settlement.
And do you think, Joshua, that a judge may release her from the NDA?
You know, there's been a lot of discussion about these NDAs and whether or not they're appropriate to ever have them, certainly in cases where they involve some sort of allegations of sexual assault. But there's a lot of good public policy reasons for them to be in place. And it sounds like this was examined here by the judge. At least from the comments that we have from that judge, we don't know what the actual allegations are, but at least from the comments that the judge made surrounding those allegations, it doesn't seem like there's much evidence to back up any kind of a reason to actually break down that NDA.
All right. Joshua Ritter, appreciate the analysis. Thank you.